In this video, I will show you a great alternative for AnswerThePublic. So AnswerThePublic is a great tool for doing keyword research. You can do keyword research for Google, Bing, YouTube, Amazon, as well as TikTok, which is new. And you can add keywords right there. You can select your region or the region you want to target. Then you can select the language and you can tap on search. And now you get the list of questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, numbers, as well as related. But the downside of AnswerThePublic is that you need to pay if you really want to dive into great in-depth keyword research. But luckily I have another tool for you which is very, very great. And this tool is Ubersuggest. Now what you can do is you can go to ubersuggest.com or to app.nellpatel.com/Ubersuggest, and then you'll see this screen. Now it kind of works the same as AnswerThePublic, but it's a bit different, and I personally like it a bit more. So what you can do is you can again type your keyword right there, for example Hostinger, but of course this can be any keyword you want. Then again select your language and the location you want to target, and then tap on search. So first of all you see a keyword overview of Hostinger. You see the search volume, and this is the monthly estimated search volume, SEO difficulty, which is quite high to be honest, the paid difficulty, which is easy, and the cost per click. Now, I personally wouldn't take a look or look at this too much, but what I do look at is keyword IDs. So you see keyword right there, and what you can do is you can go to you can see all of these keywords. For example, hosting a login. You can tap on view all keywords IDs, and it's showing you a full list of keywords where you can make a blog or video, or I don't know what you want, but you can use that for your content. For example, hosting a login. You can see a lot of information. Hosting a coupon code, hosting a customer service, and I can even tap on a specific keyword. I do need to register for that, but I can tap on it and I can really dive into keyword research with Ubersuggest. So I can tap on this, I can add it to my list, I can sign up to export it right there, and this way you can really do in-depth keyword research. And again, you can filter on different ways. For example, content IDs, for example, hosting a coupon codes, Bluehost versus Hostinger, etc., etc. And now it's only filtered on suggestions, but what you also can do is you can tap on related right there. So hosting in login, hosting review, or questions. Who hosting, how much to host website, what is Hostinger, etc. Prepositions, is Hostinger good? Reddit, is Hostinger down? Or comparisons, Hostinger versus Bluehost, Hostinger versus HostGator. This is a really nice way to do keyword research. But I will show you another alternative that is completely free to do keyword research. And this method is Google. Yeah, your good old friend Google, just the search bar. Alright, so go to google.com and use this search bar over here. So I do prefer to use an incognito page instead of the normal non-incognito page. This way you don't have your search history in your way. Alright, what you need to do if you want to write a blog about hosting, for example, use the search bar and type Hostinger. Right here you can see all of the search results the most popular search results that pop up with Hostinger. Now what you can do is you can add a space and you can type, for example, versus. Here you can see Hostinger versus SiteGround, Hostinger versus Cloud, Hostinger versus Strado, etc., etc. What you also can do is you can type an A, for example, Hostinger versus A2 hosting, Hostinger versus Azure, Hostinger versus AB, Hostinger versus this, Hostinger versus C, Hostinger versus B, Hostinger versus B, or for example, questions, how to Hostinger. Okay, how to cancel Hostinger subscription, and let's put an underscore over there. How to change domain name in Hostinger, how to install WordPress in Hostinger, how to contact Hostinger, etc., etc. How to refund. What you also can do is you can add another keyword over there. Type A. How to add signature in Hostinger, how to add, or how to remove. how to remove the domain from hosting or hosting, how to remove park domain hosting. This way you can really do in-depth keyword research and yeah, find some great topics where you can write content about. So that is basically it. If you want to get started with hosting, I will leave a link in the description down below. This helps support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye bye.